Hello guys, so we are going to turn this one into a funeral invitation. Okay, by the way, you can come to my digital store. So when you come here and you search for all template paystack, okay, so just enter this on Google, hit on enter, and you see that you the first link that will come, you click on it, all templates, and boom, you are going to be greeted with this awesome interface having our designs. Okay, so when you come here, you see we have a lot of designs that you can choose from. You can use it to do your own works. Okay, so we have a lot, over 200 PSD files editable for you, and we are also available anytime to assist you when you face any difficulties. Okay, so let's change this one to invitation. So I'll create a new document. Normally I select A4 and then I change it to 96 because normally we print 3 on A4 sheet. Then I'll click on create for a new page to open for me. All right, so when I get this, the next thing is to start bringing in this detail. So I'll just come here, click and drag this one over here, and I'm going to reduce the size of this a little bit. Okay, little bit. Okay, so this one is going to be here. Then I'll come back again, and I think I'm going to need this funeral arrangement. So let's pick this one up, bring it here, and also let's group it, Control J, and I'm going to reduce the size of this. So at the end of the day, I'm going to leave this PSD file on our digital store so you guys will have access to it. Okay, all right, then and let's go back, and I'm going to need this background. So let me go all the way down, unlock this, and then let's click and move this one here. Control O to fit to screen. Let me reduce the size of this and also expand this portion, move it backwards, and let's see. So this one, see how it is arranged. It's giving me some vibes, different vibes. Let's see. Let me increase the distance. I think that is all. So okay, so we have to manage and make sure this one goes here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break the edges. So add this one to that, add this one to that. Okay, then lock the background and move this image a little bit here. This one also goes here, and this one comes down a little bit. Then from here we are going to add the name. So I'm going to select it, unlock this, and let's click and drag this one here, and also reduce the size. So I think I'm going to do something different. Reduce the size, and also let me check her age. So the age is supposed to be here, it's not here. So let me go back and see. 98. Okay, so let me change this one to 98, and I think we can use red over here. So red, yeah, the same thing applies here. See if we can get a red gradient. This one is not giving. Okay, Let's see. Okay, it seems this one is not that red, so push it. I think something like this is okay. Okay. And this one is not matching, so let's go with the red as well. Okay, so I think it is matching now. So the next thing, I think instead of us to do the whole thing of you are invited to, let's go and pick something here. So I'm going to take this. This particular PSD file is already on the digital store. I don't know whether you notice it here. You see this one is already here. So you guys should come here, get this PSD file to support us, okay? You see how beautiful it includes the funeral poster, the funeral banner, and also the funeral invitation. So all in one. So when you want to purchase it, you come all the way down, okay? Just like this. You add to back, and then let me reduce the size a little bit. So I think this thing, it can still be shortened a little bit. So let me try to do so. Okay, then we are going to use the background over here. So click and drag this here, send it backwards, and you will see. Okay, so we still have the name over here. So that is not all the name. Oh, dang. So I think we can make this one this color, or that, or this. I don't want to use red to brighten it. How should it be? Yeah, one color at the top, another color at the down. So this one and this one is not matching. So I think I will go with something like this. But I don't like the idea of using black to write the name. It's not something that I want, so I'm looking for ways to change it. So, and these two, the colors are like some wavy. Okay, I think we can change the color for this. So let's forgo the ingredient and choose a plain color like this. And let me change the color of this one to white. All right, this one to the color is supposed to be changed. So let's go here. Yeah, guys, what do you think? Something like this is not bad. I like this. And this one, let's add the ingredient on this one to the Agnes. Where is it? See, the text here is too much and it is very long and it is really disturbing me, pissing me off. But we don't have much to do over here. I think it's okay.